Our estimation is that, by end of this year, more than 50% of all users will still be using XP, even though the adoption of Windows 7 is huge. I mean, it's going very well. It will still take maybe 2-4 years before we get I would say, the majority of people using either Vista or 7. So for that time, we're going to support both generations of the products. So just moving on, we also do high-definition video calling with the new Messenger. And as you know, there are great high-definition webcams coming out to the market, both from Microsoft and Logitech and other players. And we will allow, or we will support it for sure.
Can you tell us a little bit about the high-definition video? What kind of compression you use? What is the bitrate you need to have it transmitted?
That information I don't know from the top of my head, but I'll just make a note. We have a review guide that lists this specific this specific feature. So maybe at the end I will look it up because it's going to take me some time. I don't know exactly where it is.
Okay.
So
no problem.
What you wanted? What you wanted the?
We would like to know the compression. The type of compression you use, compression you use, and what is the minimum bit rate to transmit to, mainly for upload. Well, it's the same both ways, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll look it up.
What's the minimum bit rate? Yes.
I don't want to give you wrong information as well, since you're typing it. Okay, and then the other thing is that we actually allow users to combine multiple features. So, for example, if they do video chat, they can also share photos and so on. Other thing is the personal status message, which is the message you put on the top. We now also allow for or provide users with the possibility to place interactive content in the personal status bar. So just again, maybe just shift to the live product. So here when I have the application, and instead of just having some funny thing to say, I can also add a photo, and then I can share the photo as well. And
in this way, you share the photo with every contact.
Yeah,
so it's online.
So this way, no, I don't. But basically, when I put share, it will just generate a small preview, which is it's still uploading, so it may not even work because it's still in beta. But here I have shared. I will get a small image like this, and then basically, if I have Messenger connected to Facebook, I will automatically share that either the personal status message or the photo or the link to Facebook as well. And it will work the other way around. So if I connect Facebook with 4 different providers, what will happen is that if I change my status on Facebook and say I'm in Athens, it will automatically go to my personal status message in Messenger as well. So it goes both ways. But it's in the installation process, I really need to make that choice. So similar way to work with link. So for example, I just use a check site, doesn't matter. And when I do, maybe this will work better. See, and here I get a kind of a Facebook type preview. I can maybe look at some of the photos as well, and then I can share it as well. So. Again, this gives you the same example, sharing photos and so on. So this was the first pillar. This one is about integrating into things we are already doing. And here, basically having Messenger as part of the other online experiences from Microsoft. Being able to do web Messenger. We are also working with multiple partners. So for example, a local social network or a local restaurant guide can add something we call Messenger Connect feature that I can just open, using my Messenger contacts, I can open and have a chat conversation from a different site. So this is kind of a web messenger on a partner side. Again, here I would have a feature that would allow me to share, it's called Messenger Companion, and would allow me to share instantly start conversation on a video. So here I would have a Messenger companion window where I can have multiple people commenting the content. Using browser, I have a possibility to share that link, so there I have a Messenger icon, and what I do is that I again share a simple link on Messenger or other services as well.
This is available for all browsers or only for?
Right now it's only for.
It's
gonna get installed into Internet Explorer. We are also looking at other browsers at the moment, but it's not anything I can confirm at the moment. So moving on, a little bit about the mobile experience. Again, we see a big shift from the PC to the phone, as everybody on the market. We now have multiple rich clients for phones, so Windows Phone definitely as a platform. We have Messenger client on some of the Nokia devices as well. We have a Messenger client on BlackBerry. And also, this is the client for iPhone. Sorry, this is the client for Windows Phone 7, and here I have the client for iPhone. So that will be also launching in the summer, and iPhone users can use a new rich Messenger app on the platform. And again, you know, outside of the rich client solutions, we also have a browser solution, so people can just go to the browser on their phone and do the chat as well. So this is just some of the images. So just to close, I just want to show you some of the social features. So this is the third pillar, the social networking. And basically, when I install the product, it will ask me if I want to connect additional services. And we have two different levels. So these four, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and MySpace, people have a very deep integration with that will work both ways. And then the additional ones, such as Zoo.gr and other feeds, these are usually one way and are also feeds. So basically, if I am both a Zoo.gr user and a Messenger user, I can get updates from my Zoo friends on Messenger, but my Zoo friends cannot really see what I'm doing on Messenger. So in the installation process, for example, with Facebook, I can connect Facebook to Windows Live and choose each way what will be shared. So for example, from Facebook to Windows Live, I will be able to share my activities with my friends or whatever. So in the last step, I will just connect to Facebook and confirm that selection, and here I am. When I open Messenger for the first time in the big window, we give you 4 options. The first option is the social news, that's what I will be talking about now. And then we also provide additional options. So people who want to have just their friends, they can start as default to the people list. People who want to have headlines from MSN, again, can start with the headlines, and people who play a lot of casual games can do games. So we actually give user the choice, if they start Messenger, what they want to see. Okay. Before, it was always an MSN Today window that popped up. Now we really give you the option what you want to see. You want to see social networks, you want to see just the list of friends, or you want to see headlines or games.
Headlines come only from MSN.gr?
Yeah,
nothing else.
Yes. But then MSN.gr works with a variety of content partners as well. So this is what we call the social pane, and this will basically answer your questions about the social integration. So when I have a contact, such as Dave over there, when I open it, I can always send messages not only to Windows Live, but also to Facebook, MySpace, and other places. Also, the key idea is not to have social information and social content from everyone.